What's wrong, Olivia?
No, I don't want you to eat it. No, Mommy. I don't want you to eat it.
Okay.
I don't want to eat
But why?
Because I know I'm really cranky.
Because you're really cranky?
Yes, I'm really, really cranky. 1, 2, 3. They're too hot, Papa. They're too hot.
Well, then you should blow on it, cool it down.
I'm blowing 2 of yours. I'm blowing 2 of yours. I'm blowing 2 of yours. I'm blowing 2 of yours.
You are?
Huh?
Thank you for that.
I would.